Right. Welcome to the guided portion of deep breathing. This is where I want you to practice deep breathing for 3 minutes. And I want you, well, get started right away. Remember, the active focus is on the exhale and the inhale is a relaxation. I want you to sit up straight. And I want you to close your eyes and put your hands on your knees or your lap. And I want you to just let your breath flow for a moment. I want you to notice if your spine is straight, if you feel overall you can work in this posture. And let your breath flow just for a little bit, keeping your eyes closed. And now I want you to put your focus towards deep breathing and start with your next exhale by making that more conscious and more active, the way you learned it. 3 minutes have started. Begin your deep breathing with a strong, active exhale. And when you have exhaled, I want you to relax your whole torso, all the muscles, and let the breath flow in. Active exhale, passive, relaxed inhale. And give yourself time. There's no stress with this. Just start doing exactly the instructions and the benefits will come by themselves. On the exhale, start using your rib cage, compressing it, squeezing out air, using your belly button and your navel to squeeze out more air on the exhale. And when you're ready, relax all those muscles and let the inhale flow in and become deeper and deeper. Continue. Deep breathing, active exhale, and relaxed inhale. You have 1 minute to go. Active exhale, relaxed inhale, deeper and deeper. "30 seconds left. Continue. Breathe deeply. Keep your eyes closed and breathe. And now breathe in deeply. Inhale. Hold your breath. And exhale. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed and observe your flowing breath. Relax your breath. And open your eyes. Hi. Thank you so much for participating. I want you to continue doing this 3-minute exercise as often as you can. It's very powerful. It will calm you down. I want you to start noticing also how it shifts your attention and how it shifts your focus. So good for you for practicing. Go team. I'll see you in the next exercise. Bye bye.